Hey there, kitchen enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down appliance troubles so you can get back to cooking without the hassle. Today, we're diving into the KitchenAid Induction Cooktop Error Code F12, a common issue in 2025 models that can leave you scratching your head. If you've ever seen that blinking F12 on your display, don't worry, we're here to guide you through it step by step. First off, let's understand what Error Code F12 means. In KitchenAid induction cooktops, this code typically signals a problem with the internal fan or communication between the cooktop's electronic components. It could be due to overheating, a blockage, or even a minor electrical glitch. The good news is that it's often fixable without calling in a pro, but always prioritize safety. To start troubleshooting, begin by turning off your cooktop and unplugging it from the wall. Give it a few minutes to cool down. Safety first, folks. Once it's safe, check for any obvious issues. Look under the cooktop for dust, debris, or blockages around the fan vents. Use a soft brush or vacuum to gently clear anything you find, but never use water or sharp objects. Next, try a simple reset. Plug the cooktop back in and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. If the error persists, run a self-test. If your model has that feature, check your user manual for instructions. If you're still seeing F12, it might be time to inspect the wiring or connections, but only if you're comfortable with electrical work. Otherwise, contact KitchenAid customer support or a certified technician. Remember, prevention is key. Keep your cooktop clean, ensure proper ventilation, and avoid overloading it. If you follow these steps, you should resolve the issue quickly. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips. Let's keep those kitchens running smoothly. See you next time.